Hi, Will from ProLights with a couple install tips concerning our 2018 Plus STI Fog Light bezels. So a few little things to pay attention to. The tabs all have a direction in an angle like this. So when we're installing this fog light unit, we can't just go straight in. We need to follow that angle and we need to try and line up all these tabs in the slots as we push in at an angle. And one problem we see pretty frequently is this ridge here gets pushed in and flattened down as the end user is trying to install the fog light bezel, and it's pretty much impossible to fit this section here if that happens. So if ever you run into that sort of issue, you need to straighten out, you need to bring this ridge back to its former shape, and you need to make sure that this fully engages in the corresponding channel on the bumper. So on the bumper, there will be a channel or a crack that this lines up into. So when you install, you need to remember to follow that angle. You can actually see that angle in this part right here. It goes in like that instead of straight in. So you need to follow that angle when you clip them in and make sure you don't flatten this part in the process. All right, that's it for me.